Good morning, children. Today we will complete the exercise. Now, the first is MCQ. Here is some oral question answer questions. Okay, but first we completed MCQ. This is the hottest zone, and the answer is torrid zone. Hill stations are cold due to high altitude. The three heat zones, and the next rewrite the following statements after correcting them. Okay, humidity at hill station is very high. After correcting, the answer is low. The temperature in the frigid zone remain very high, low. And the third is the hottest time of the day is evening, but the correct answer is not evening, and the answer is noon. Fill in the blanks. Climate is the atmospheric condition experienced over a long period. Second, the inland regions have an extreme type of climate. Third, the torrid zone is the closest to the equator. Fourth, the temperature at high altitude is very low. Fifth, inland region have an extreme climate. True and false. Delhi has an moderate climate. False. Rainfall cools the land area. True. Third, Ooty is the colder than Amritsar. True. Fourth, the torrid zone is the coldest zone. False. Question answer, and the first is oral question answer. Okay. Name the four factors that influence the climate of a place, and the answer is several natural factors affect the climates are proximate to the equator, distance from the sea, and the direction of the wind and relief. And the second is why do places near the equators have a hot climate? And the answer is the equator receives direct sunlight because equator is near to the sun. Question answer, distinguish between the weather and the climate, and the answer is weather refers to the atmospheric condition experienced at a place for a short period, and the climate is the atmospheric condition experienced over a long period. Second, weather is temporary, and the second, climate is permanent. Third, weather prevails over a small area, climate prevails over a large area. And second is describe the torrid zone. This is also known as hot zone. This zone extends from the Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 degree north, to Tropic of Capricorn, Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, to Tropic of Capricorn, that is 23.5 south. It is divided into North Torrid Zone and South Torrid Zone.